All right, here's a cup for each of you. We're going to plant a bunch of seeds in our garden. Who wants a couple of watermelon seeds?
Me. Definitely me, because I want watermelon. And I love watermelon.
All right, there you go. You get 3.
And Cooper gets 3.
And Coopy, you get 3.
Good.
Okay, we'll put those up. Who wants cilantro?
Me.
All right, there's some cilantro. Let's see if people can look at this. Cilantro, boys, the leaves of it is cilantro, but the seeds are what we call coriander for spices. So if you see coriander in the spice shelf, it's the same thing that we got right here, but we're growing this for the leaves. And we'll put our cilantro on our tacos and our burritos. And here you go, Coop.
Hey kids, do you know what
Cilantro.
do you know what my favorite fruit is?
No, don't eat it.
And my favorite fruit is watermelon.
All right, who wants some thyme?
Me.
What is thyme? Coopy, you are dirty, buddy.
Thyme is I don't know what thyme is. I don't know what thyme is.
It's Daddy's favorite herb.
Whoa. Kids, thyme is my dad's favorite herb.
Oh,
And what is herb? I'm not eating it.
oh, these are tiny.
Look how tiny they are.
Yes.
Okay, at this.
There, we'll put some in there. Now, Coopy, have a seat, buddy.
Okay, at this.
No. Here, let me see your cup.
The biggest one in the cup right now is watermelon.
Yep.
And the smallest one in the cup, I don't know.
All right, who wants parsley?
Me. I love parsley.
You know?
Me. I want parsley.
Parsley looks an awful lot like cilantro, but it is very, very different. This is, what kind of, there's a bunch of different types of parsley.
I want parsley. I want
I don't know. This is just regular old parsley.
I want parsley.
I think there's like Italian parsley and curly leaf parsley. A few different types, but I guess this is just the regular stuff.
I want parsley.
Oh, these seeds are pretty tiny too. Here you go.
I want to see it.
Oh,
They're tiny.
oh, here you go, Kippy. There we go.
Yeah.
This is going to be one big assorted bed of goodness. Oh, look at these. We got your mama's favorite.
What? Cherry tomatoes.
All right, I know we're going to use all of these.
Why? I want to
Because
see it.
yeah,
Because our mom loves them.
I think everybody loves these things.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can I see them?
yeah. Just some
Oh,
tomato seeds.
yeah, we're going to use all of these.
Oh, don't let your cup spill, buddy.
Oh,
Oh, here you go, Kip Jackson.
Here.
And let's just plant them all. Boom.
no.
Boom.
I got all of them.
Yeah, you got a lot of those. All right. Here's our strawberries, but we're going to plant these in a different pot.
Me.
And, oh, different type of tomato.
Me.
The San Mazzaro tomato.
Oh, I love them.
These are fancy.
I love those tomatoes.
All right.
I saved it.
All right, we got some bell peppers here. And
peppers.
we got some more bell peppers here. We'll just plant all those. Our strawberries, we're going to save those for a special type of planter. Let's plant some of these too, Kippy. Here's our San Mazzaro tomatoes. That's right.
Fat tomatoes.
Fat tomatoes.
I'm
Oh,
calling
that's a
them,
lot.
I'm calling them fat tomatoes.
Fat tomatoes. Here we go.
Tomatoes.
Boom.
Yay.
And why not? Just dump them all in there. All right, boys. What we need is to scatter these all over in our bed over here. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get them. All right, just get in there
And just walk around
and just push them in. Push them down in the dirt.
and then you gotta cover them up.
Yeah, then we'll cover them up a little bit.
Why is there a bag in here?
A bag? Oh, that's one of our old grow bags. We don't need that. Actually, that will biodegrade, so we'll just put that in there too. Here, let me show you. Take one of these seeds and just, well, you planted them all. Just push them in there. All right, good job.
I still have more.
Oh, don't water, Koopy. All right, we've got our strawberry tower here.
Hello, kids.
And two wet monsters. Koopy, don't stand on the table.
Hello, kids.
Let's see here. We got strawberries and a strawberry tower.
And kids.
And a Cooperdoodle not listening.
Kids, we have the strawberry tower, and I don't like those spiky vines. And I have a tree house, and right there, my Cooper, right here. Say hello. Hello. He has a strawberry.
All right, how are we going to plant these things?
So we're going to put them on.
All right, this is very important. Listen to me.
What?
In each of these little corners here, you need to take your finger and poke it, and then sprinkle a seed in there. So let me open this up.
I made some holes. I'm going to do it.
Yeah, poke it.
Poke.
Yep.
I poked a hole everywhere.
All right, good job, good job.
Cooper, we're done. Cooper, we're done.
All right, let's open these up. All right, here we go. Koopy, you got your strawberries. Jackson, here's your strawberries.
Why my strawberries?
Now, poke the hole
You can use
and put
this.
one strawberry seed in each hole.
And then cover it up.
And then cover it up.
I want some.
Koopy, you got a whole bunch here, buddy. Look, you got a whole, well, not in there. Actually, Jackson, trade with me. You got, here's your strawberry seeds. One in each little corner.
Wow.
So let's poke a hole. Doop, and put a strawberry seed in it.
And cover it up.
And then cover it up. No, don't dump them all. Just one. Okay, you got just a couple in there. Here, we'll put them in the hole. And then we'll cover it up. Okay, go to the next one. Poke a hole. Yeah. Put one or two in there. Preferably just one.
Look.
Yeah, put it in the hole. Yeah, in the hole.
Where?
Oh, he's on your thumb. Here we go. And he's gone. I think, did we get it? Yeah. Okay, we cover it up.
Hey, Dad, can I put one in the middle?
Sure.
Where? The middle top.
That's fine.
And the spoon there.
Sure. We still got more corners that need seeds. Oh, there's some right there. There's a couple of seeds.
What about right here?
Yeah, you can put one in there. There's an extra seed right there we can put in.
Right there?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Come on. Oh. How water is it?
Yeah, it's wet.
Hey, Daddy, is there any strawberry seed in here?
I don't think so.
Got some strawberry seeds.
What do you got there, Koopy?
I can give you
What does that one say? Tomatoes.
I can give you one.
All right, go plant those.
I give you.
These here.
You can plant them.
These are tiny, tiny, tiny. They're easy to lose.
That's fine.
Oh, I'm going to plant these right here on this side. Just poke them in, cover them up.
And you right there? No.
No. All right, Jackson, tell the kids about what do you think about planting your seeds?
Is there anyone in here?
Yeah, we got some in that one.
So, kids, I think we had a little too much of. I think we need one more layer of this. I think we need 2 more layers of this set.
2 more layers of these buckets.
Uh-huh.
I agree with you. We need more to grow more strawberries because they're yummy. But that's all we have.
And one more. Well,
Those are cucumbers. We're gonna plant those somewhere else.
Oh, I just found a cucumber scale. Look.
All right, are you boys ready to go water the strawberries? We gotta water them in. Or you're just gonna dig through the bag for something else. All right, hold up your bag of sunflower seeds here. And where did you get these?
From my old school.
Okay, same thing, just push them in the dirt with your fingers. Spread them out a little bit.
I'll just put one in each bucket.
Now we're just all of them in this one bucket. Yeah, just push it down with your poke. Very good. And kind of spread it. There you go, perfect. And we got the Cooper Doodle manning the grill.
Yes. It's open. I'll be back. I will do this, Daddy.
Poke. And Coopy's got my barbecue grill tongs. Using them to scoop up potting soil.
Jackson's done from planting seeds from his old school bag where he had the sunflower seeds in.
All right, you got all your sunflower seeds planted?
Jackson, JCKSON.
Let's see this action with my tongs that I'll never use again. All right, ready to plant some cucumbers? What do you think, Coopy?
Nothing.
All right, what do we have over here, Jackson?
Cucumber.
Cucumber seeds? All right, put 2 seeds in each bucket. Just like you did with your sunflower seeds. Just poke it down in the dirt and cover it back up. Here, just like you did before. Doo.
Where's the potato? Where's the potato?
The potatoes are growing. They're still under the ground.
I want to find them.
Well, we need to leave them alone.
Trying to grow themselves into yummy French fries. I'll
Yeah.
do this right now, Daddy.
Well, they got to grow first.
I'm not finding it. I'm not finding it. I'm not finding it. It's not open. I cannot find it, Daddy. I cannot find it. I cannot open it, Daddy.
That's okay. Here, bring it here.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's fine. Just poke it back in the dirt.
That's it right here.
Okay, that's fine too.
I'll just pour all those poking right in here.
Yeah, it's one of our seed pods from last year.
Now, what? Did I do this
I
part?
don't know. Gonna put a few more seeds into there just for fun. Poke, poke.
Trucks. When they say stop, it's time to move the dump truck. But not right now. I didn't say stop, so keep on digging. dirt trucks need dirt. Daddy, come me. Daddy.
It's like a spinning pile of monsters.